Hey guys, it's Matt with Diablosport. Got Brian McMahon, and we're out here at Orlando Speed World to test out the Redeye now that we've done our modifications. So, if you can, Brian, tell us what you've done to the car.
Basically, we changed the upper pulley to a 2.75, put Injector Dynamics ID 1050X injectors in it. That's generally it. We gapped the stock plug some to see what we could do. Minimal mods like one of our normal consumers would.
Okay, and what did you do in the software? Because I imagine with those changes, we need to use CMR to compensate.
Right. We use CMR to pretty much dial in the entire calibration for all the changes we made. We went from 727, which was our tuned number with just the stock car, to
horsepower.
Yeah, 802 and 798 torque.
Okay, so that's a pretty big improvement over the stock horsepower. So what are you hoping for in terms of our first run here?
I'm hoping it'll get close to low 10 flat, 1020.
1020 for the first run.
We got it down to a 1054 with just it being tuned. Granted, that was at 3000 DA. It's about similar conditions right now. It's really hot. The humidity is really high. So just first thing this morning at 75 degrees, it was 1500. So I expect every bit of like 2,000 to 2,500 DA today. Additional mods that we did to the car, just to make sure that everything was absolutely consistent, is we used weld bracing SR70s in the back and aluminum stars in the front. And we have a P4D diff brace, which is a pretty common mod for these things, to make sure that the differential stays in one piece.
Okay, well, we'll take it on the track and see what you can do.
DJ,